Hello artistic people. In this video we are going to make a portrait of Hrithik Roshan. So first of all what we have to do is we have to download image or photo of Hrithik Roshan from Google, or after that we just have to make grid on it, and after that according to the grid we will use this for making our portrait. So it becomes easy to understand while doing. So let's just start with downloading an app called Grid Maker. Here it is. I have downloaded it, and now you can just put it and take 25 or 30 size 1 cell. I will prefer to make on 30 size 1 cell. After that what we have to do is we just have to make the same grid as they are on the photo. There are 7 grid horizontally and 10 grid vertically. As you have seen that there were 7 grids, and now I am making the same grids on the A4 size paper. Now I am numbering the paper from 1 to 7 and 1 to 10. Now you can start from anywhere by seeing the photo or image. You can start from the eye also. I generally prefer to start from the eye. Slowly move your hand, and as I have speed up the video, do not rush in the photo, because if you are a beginner you just have to learn very simple way, in a very simple way, where you can understand what the main thing we have to draw in the box. As I am drawing the nose, so you just have to think like you are an artist. Don't think like you are a beginner or you are something like you don't know anything. You have seen so many faces from your childhood, right? So what you can do, you have drawn so many paintings in your school times. Now you can also do the same thing. Just I'm just making the eyebrows. Remember, don't rush and don't just start shading it. Firstly, just make the outlines. After that, you will understand where to shade or where not to shade. Some artists also prefer to make directly on the grid. Follow the process slowly and you will understand the thing, because it's very easy method for a beginner to draw any portrait. As I already have told you that you can start from drawing here outline, or you can start from the eye. So now I am making the cloth part. Now what you can do here, you can just start to make eye or start to shade in the eye and start to erase the line one by one, or you can directly jump and you can just erase all of the grid and just start making the portrait without the grid. Here what I am doing is I am just outlining the part of here. Now just erase the line, and as you are seeing that I am doing the simple shading. You can use blending stump or a cotton bud brush and tissue paper for blending. Generally I prefer to go dark to light, so I have just opted the dark part which is in the image, and I have just drawn it on the paper. After that, you are seeing that I am just darkening the area which is blended by me. You can also go from light to dark in the portrait. You have to just find out where is the dark part and where is the light part. Now I am using Kohinoor pencil, that is erasable pencil, so it can be used to draw the lighter part. Slowly and steadily wins the race, as we have seen in the story of rabbit and tortoise. What I am doing is I am just making the dark part and I am just blending with the blending stump. Generally, an artist do not worry about the same to make it. You can make it on your own way. You just don't need to copy each and every part of the image, because you are now learning, so it's the thing you have to keep in mind while doing this. As you are learning, it is your process where you can improve your learning. As you are seeing it, I am darkening the other part of the cloth, that is jacket of the Hrithik Roshan. So just dark the part with 10B pencil. You can use 10B for dark part and you can use HB for very lighter part, as generally HB is a hard pencil, so you can draw very thin hair of any portrait. As I have left the part that are bright in the hair, so here I am using HB pencil for the lighter part, for the hair part. As you are seeing it, for the darker part I am using 10B, or for the lighter part I am using HB or kneaded eraser to opt the lighter part of the portrait. You can also use simple pencil to make portrait. What you have to do is you just need to press the pencil hardly and do the darker part, and after that, where it is light, you can very slowly with the rough hand you can just make the lighter part. But if you really want to learn how to draw it or how to make portrait realistic, I will suggest you to buy an artistic pencil. It can be of any brand. Now I am using Artline pencil. As you are seeing, our portrait of Hrithik Roshan is completed. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and also visit my other videos. Thank you for watching.